Hello, this is Stephen Withrow with Webucator. In this video I'm going to show you a solution Didepo Adarimi came up with for injecting and binding objects to spring MVC controllers. Didepo agreed to let us create this video showing his solution, which is available as an article here on his blog at the URL shown here. To illustrate these important principles in Spring, Didepo gives us a very straightforward Java bean, the person class. I have reproduced his class here as a Java file. Notice we have two properties, first name and last name. I've also introduced some validations to ensure that the minimum length of each property is one character. This is the person data entry JSP. I prompt the user for the first name and last name. The user should enter the first name and last name and then hit the submit button. At this point, the person controller will be invoked by Spring. I map the request to a method called print welcome. The person object is going to be injected into this method by Spring. I also have a binding result object, which allows me to check to see if any errors occurred. If errors did in fact occur, I'm going to indicate that to the user and redisplay the person JSP. If the data was entered successfully, then I will respond with a greeting JSP. This is the greeting JSP. Notice the references to the properties in the Java bean. If the data needs to be re-entered by the user, then an error message will be displayed. Let's try it out in the browser. I will provide my first name and last name, hit the submit button, and this is a successful data entry operation. Notice that my name is displayed on the result view, which is the greeting JSP that we looked at just a few minutes ago. Now what I will do is submit the form without providing a first name or a last name. The error message will result with the prompt to the user to enter the first name and the last name. The message that you see here, colorized in red, is available through the model map. This is the model map in the person controller source code. Thanks again to Didepo for the inspiration for this video. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to data binding and injection with Spring MVC controllers.